Hi everybody, and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy unboxing. It's been a long time since we've done something just random like this. I have 3 boxes here. 1, 2, 3. I wonder what's inside. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and open these up one at a time. This might be what a item. Get it? What an item. So we're going to see what is inside these Whata boxes. Ooh, let's see here. They wrapped them up. Okay. I see paper. Let's go ahead and pull the items out. Ooh, ah. We have a Whataburger cup. Not just any Whataburger cup. Look at this. We have a Whataburger Yeti. This finish looks like it could wear off easily. This is a Yeti replica. Yeti Rambler with a slide top. Let's see what's in the cup. Oh wow, it's got custom Whataburger Yeti tumbler, Yeti Rambler sticker. Ooh, even a Whataburger sticker. That's cool. A Yeti sticker and a Whataburger sticker. That's cool. So there we have, what the heck? The inside of the cup looks like it's been sanded. That's weird. That's weird. I don't know what to say, but it's cool. All right, so we'll set that aside. Let's see what else we have in here. Whataburger stickers. Oh, wow. Not one. I think that's all that's in that box. But 2 of these Whataburger 30-ounce Yeti tumblers. You may ask why I bought 2 of these. I guess that's just the texture inside these things. Let me look at this real quick. It's weird. If you look in there, Yetis aren't supposed to be textured like that, I didn't think. Oh well, maybe they are, but we have 2 Whataburger cups, and thing is, I'm not really going to use these. I bought these for display. So we got 2 30 ounces. Let's see what's in the box below it. There we go, I'm out of the way now. All right, we have invoice. I don't want to show that. All right, now we're going to open this one. This is the 20-ounce Whataburger Yeti tumbler. Look at that. I guess these are just textured inside now. Because it's just weird. I guess the inside of a Yeti is textured. But look at that. 20-ounce Yeti Rambler. I've never held one of these. Now this is what I was looking forward to. This right, actually no, it's not this one. There's still more in here. Here we have, this is really cool. Another 20-ounce Yeti tumbler in the King Crab Orange. This is a very rare color. And inside we have more stickers and stuff. think we have 1 or 2 more items in here. Oh, this is the one that I'm excited about. All right, I'm pulling it out now. 30-ounce orange Whataburger Yeti tumbler. I'm actually going to use this one. And inside of this one is not really textured. I wonder if it's the ones... It's just weird how those are textured. This is a 20-ounce. Oh no, 30-ounce, my bad. And I think this box is empty. We have one more box to look at. And then we'll look at all of them together. Sorry if my head's in the frame. I have to cut this. All right, here we go. We got another 20-ounce Whataburger King Crab Yeti. Looks nice inside. And another, ooh, this orange is so bright. The orange is so bright. Here is a 30-ounce Whataburger Yeti tumbler. We're actually going to start using this on, you're going to see these on elevaTOURS. And the last thing I just had to buy so I get the entire collection is this little guy right here. Now the big one, 30 ounce, these are 30 ounce, these are 20 ounce. I'm tired. I think this is a 10 ounce, but I'm not sure. But we're gonna look inside here. See, these are just oddly textured. Look, I think, I'll tell you why. I think it might be some powder coat because they powder coated. This is all powder coat. And like I said, I don't think this finish is going to hold up well, so I'm not going to use any of these. So here we have the entire Whataburger Yeti cup collection. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will say this, these right here, I don't feel this finish is going to hold up well. So if you're interested in buying one of these, I don't think these would do well in the outdoors. And also, it's almost like the inside of the cup was sandblasted as well. So, oh, and before we go, let's christen this cup. We've got Diet Pepsi in here. First drink out of the Whataburger Yeti. Great. Until next time, bye y'all. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.